Isoko, Isoko manu wado, San Igbobia, Igbobia noani, Akaratio. Greetings to you, everybody. My name is Destiny Umukoro, popularly known as Oflefle Romote. I'm from Isoko, South Local Government Area, Delta State, Nigeria. I'm here to tell us one of the problems we have in Isoko. Emeho Igbo mama no mawo, hayo idofe no mawo. Owari ofojo n'ọrụ ho, idofe no mawo ho. Mare wolofio boko mo mama, we don't help ourselves. And there is a reason. Owari eze. It's in everywhere. Area wrong. It's just that. What I make telling, where kake toro marata. For example, you help person, or let me say, I help you. May feel in one way or the other. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to appreciate what I did for you. And even you yourself, you do it more. Do it well so that you too you can be able to help another person. Maybe I empower you. I empower you so that you too will do well. You can also empower another person. But no. You will end up looking for one way or the other to kill me, to destabilize things for me. You end up spoiling my name everywhere. Cave woman, everywhere no. Oze no dayo ki o fa meke wo mo fa no wo lo fi o me. Message we fi bo ko. What makes you think next time if maybe I meet someone that needs my help? What makes you think I will still render help to another person? Kime when me fi bo okay. We do we pan. Wasare ugbo me no wasare ora ila ri ko toko me. O mo fa o je wo lo me fi bo okay. Ebe anya chiruru ve wero nu mere sai wo me ayo ebe ve wero nu me sai wo me sa di rofi bo ko wo yin. It's difficult. That's one of the things that is killing us. Ibe no when I feel bo ke bekere we de se zero. Ko wo no feel bo ko we. Wo mara na de bekere we jije feel bo ko mo fa yijo. Were do gbe pan were ona o to wona. Were do gbe pan were o gbe. Oh man, what you roll na? You were not to be few walk and did it. One will if you walk more far. Oh, woman. Been away ye more. You have children. Will ye more? Will we never will we money? You have brethren. Kuremun and what a luna. Woman. Been to what I got well. And the other to wedding. Woman. Why do man as you are in a bar? Wait in the tunnel. I thought fire cajaria. No, be command to venori to vewan. Obe mama gaga be Isoko na. Ogbero me orejo mo fa. If not be me make it spoil. Ogbero me jo ra ha. Ko we for rie. Ogbero me jo ra na ma kruna. Is one of the things that is killing us in Isoko. Now the whole wide world is do, but hello, listen to me very well. I'm talking about my own. Isoko my own. That is what I'm talking about. Ogbero mejo rama no ma kluna. Uoma. Uoma. Awoma. Ajo matama. Bekere madele no wari ezi. Le woman. Otome towe. Kibe wetero nu we feno na wetero nu wo opportunity jono. Weje no weje be bi agba yi weje uto ma wetero nu reno. Kare go ho e mora nu wo ye. Kare go inevo ra gbi money na re wo fa na ori ofa. Ke mu konu wora wa wo ko rivera. Ateli e wa wo ko we. Please let peace reign. I will come back again. Isoko to the world.